Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 15 on YouTube problem. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is go to a new browser, and then from here you're going to go to the three dots on the top right, and then from here you're going to go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, you're going to go right here to where it says the privacy and security. Now from here you're going to go and click on the third-party cookies. Now from here you're going to see all site data and permissions. And now from here you can see all the cookies and saved cache data. Now from here you're going to click on the search and going to search for YouTube. Once you search for YouTube, it's going to search for it right here, and you're going to uninstall or delete all the cache data from the YouTube videos. So from here you're going to click on it and click on delete. Once that is done, you're going to delete all of the other ones for YouTube, and then from here you're going to go to your extension. And then from here, going to disable any enable extension that is connected to YouTube. So for example, you might have an ad block, or maybe you might have any wallet or anything else that is connected to websites. And then from here, going to go to YouTube back again, and then going to refresh, and hopefully the code has vanished. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bank account, or for your credit card, or whatever reason it is. Once you click on approve, you're going to click on the button that says I have confirmed the app. And then once you click on it, it's going to load this page again. And there you go. As you can see, now you have your billing enabled for your project. You can set a monthly budget and you can edit whatever you want in it from all the options right here. And so you can choose your billing account, so my billing account or the project that you have made. And so from here, you can customize it for whatever you want. And once you click on manage billing account, it's going to send you to this page right here, where you're going to see all the demonstrations for this one, and you can rename it or close it or do whatever you want with it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.